Hi everyone, welcome to week 10 of our Fundamentals of College Writing class. This week we're going to be exploring the relationship between research and storytelling. For task 10.1, we're going to talk a little bit about that concept, kind of the intersection between research and storytelling. What does Writing Project 1, the narrative collage, have to do with Writing Project 3, the research paper? Aren't they two separate genres? They are. But thinking about the relationship between a story and a research paper can help us understand how research papers also tell stories. The subject of the story changes, however, from you to the subject you're researching. Let's think about a few elements of storytelling. There's a specific setting, a cast of characters, some kind of conflict leading to tension, and a resolution that concludes the story. Now, let's think about these elements as they relate to your research paper. And hopefully you'll see here that the elements of a story have some parallels with the elements of a research paper. So for instance, setting. Where does your research topic tend to take place? Can you locate the space's locations that are most affected by it? Characters. Who are the key players, influencers, policymakers, etc., and who should be most invested in your argument and the things that your research might uncover? You're the narrator, you're the one doing the research, you're the one explaining your thoughts. Other scholars and thinkers whose work you're citing, and people affected by the question that you're exploring. Stories and research both have a conflict, some reason for researching and exploring, a problem, a desire for greater understanding. Those are the things that gets research started, that puts the whole process in motion. Tension, multiple ways of solving or thinking about the issue often conflict, generating tension as you advocate for and set out to answer your research question. And then a resolution, a sense of closure in which you use your supported thesis to offer next steps or inspire some kind of action in the reader. A resolution does not mean that the research question is 100% definitively answered. Resolution simply means that your paper comes to a satisfying conclusion and leaves the reader with a greater understanding of the research question. You can watch this video, The Story of Bottled Water, to get perhaps a better sense of how the elements of storytelling and research coincide. And then for task 10.2, you're going to make your Thursday discussion board post. In your post, answer the following questions about your research. Who are the main characters for your research paper? Who are the minor characters? What is the setting of your research paper? What is the central conflict? Where are the moments of tension? What are possible resolutions? That is all for this week. As a side note, I released grades for Writing Project 2 for Composition 1 earlier today. If you'd like any help revising your paper, please let me know. In fact, there are some people that I have explicitly asked to contact me to set up an appointment to revise their paper. So if you need any help understanding my feedback, you want some help revising, you want some help moving forward on Writing Project 3, be sure to let me know, and I would be happy to help you.